Welcome to Calvi 7 Math. Let us look at this interesting question. Perform the following hexadecimal division. So we have AFC 8 base 16 divided by F base 16. So the first thing you should do whenever you are tackling questions to do with hexadecimal is to write down the extent of the numbers involved. So under the hexadecimal, we have 0 to 9, and then we have A, B, C, D, E, and F, where A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. So to do this division, we are going to use the long division method. So we are going to write this as follows. So we put the one that we want to divide under the radical. So we have A, F, C, 8, and then the divider is F. So the first part is we're going to try and see if F can go into A. That is like asking if 15 can go into 10, which is not possible. So we stretch from A to F. So we check if F can go into AF. So we'll have AF divided by F. In decimal, that is the same as 175 divided by 15. So 15 goes into 175 11 times with a remainder of 10. So it goes into 175 11 times, which is 165. So if we translate these into hexadecimal, 11 is the same as B. So B, remainder 10, and 10 is the same as A. But 165 in hexadecimal is the same as A5. So we write A5 here. So it means that F goes into AF B times. So we write B, which is A5. So we write A5 here, and then we subtract the 2. So you have AF minus A5, which is the same as the remainder, and the remainder was A. So we have A right there. So now the next step is to test if F can go into A. It cannot, because it's the same as asking if 15 can go into 10, which is not possible. So we drop C to the next line so that we have AC. So we check AC divided by F. So AC divided by F is the same as 172 in decimal form divided by F. F is 15. So 15 goes into 172 11 times, and then there's a remainder of 7. So it goes here 11 times, which is the same as 165. So in hexadecimal, 11 is the same as B. So it goes there B, remainder 7. So we write B, which is, so it goes into 172 11 times, which is the same as 165. So 165, again in terms of hexadecimal, is A5. So you write A5, and then we get the difference. So the difference between these two is the same as the remainder, which was 7. So from there we move to the next step, where we try and see if F can go into 7. F cannot go into 7 because it's like asking if 15 can go into 7. So we drop 8 to the next step so that we have 7, 8. So we have 7, 8 divided by 15. Not 15, but F, because we're talking in terms of hexadecimal. So 7, 8 divided by F. So in decimal terms, 78 is the same as 120. So 120 divided by 15. So 15 goes into 120 8 times with no remainder. So we write 8 there. So since there is no remainder, it means that we still have the same number as 7, 8, because 15 goes into 120 an exact number of times, that is 8. So here we just get the difference between these two and we find that it is 0. So it therefore means that our solution for the division that we had, that is AF C8 base 16 divided by F base 16 is the same as B 8 base 16. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.